What's up, everybody?
Hi Stampers! Today I'm going to show you my leadership swaps, and here's just a few of the ones that I've made already. And this card is a quarter sheet of cardstock, and when you attach this piece on the front and you fold it, it stands up by itself. So I'm going to show you how to do that today. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so you're going to start with your quarter sheet of cardstock, and let me go ahead and cut a piece of cardstock so you'll know what I mean on this quarter sheet. This is a piece of Whisper White, and this is 8.5 by 11. And what I mean by quarter sheet is you're just going to cut this into 4 quarters, and I'm cutting it once at 4 1/4, and then I'm going to cut these two pieces at 5 1/2. So there's 2 quarters. And then cut the other piece at 5 1/2. So you'll actually get 4 cards out of one sheet of Whisper White. Okay, so you're going to take your quarter sheet of cardstock, and I'm using the Whisper White, and what you're going to do is you're going to score this in half at 2 1/8. Okay, and then you're going to need another piece of Whisper White, and this is cut at 1 1/2 by 5 1/4, and then you're going to score on both ends at a 1/2 inch. So you're going to score 1/2 inch there and a 1/2 inch here, and then you're just going to fold that over, and then you're going to take your quarter sheet of cardstock and you're going to fold that in half. And that's pretty much your card. Now we're just going to go ahead and adhere this part to the front of this card, and I'm going to put some snail along the edge for both of the 1/2 inch score lines, and I'm just going to line this up at the bottom edge of the quarter sheet of cardstock. And that's it. And this would fit into a regular size envelope. So then when you fold it, you want to go ahead and crease that just a little bit so it looks like this. So when it stands up, it'll look like that. Okay, and then to decorate the front of my card on the swap, I used the, let me show you the punches here. I used the 1 inch circle punch, and that's the Pretty in Pink and the Early Espresso. And then the inside circle is the 1/2 inch circle punch. And then I did every other. So the Pretty in Pink has the Early Espresso, and the Early Espresso has the pink. And so then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and adhere these to the back part of my card. Okay, and then to fill in some empty space here on the Whisper White, I took the Itty Bitty Shapes Punch Pack, say that 12 times fast, and I punched out 3 of the Pretty in Pink and 3 of the Early Espresso, and I'm just going to fill in the empty space on the quarter sheet of cardstock. Just like that. Isn't that cute? Little bubbles all over. Okay, so then for my cupcake on the front of the card, I used the Build a Cupcake punch with the Create a Cupcake stamp set, and I used the same colors, the Pretty in Pink and the Early Espresso, and then I used the Scallop Circle punch. I believe this is the 1 3/4, it's the smaller one, and then I used the 1 3/8 circle punch with the Pretty in Pink, and I'm just going to layer those two together. Okay, so then I went ahead and put the cupcake together, and I put a little cherry on top with the Real Red, and I popped that up with the dimensional. I'm just going to put that right in the center, just like that. And then I'm going to pop this up on a dimensional. And then right where it's lightly folded in the front, right here, remember we made a little slight crease there? I'm just going to put the cupcake on one side. And then on this side, I'm going to use the Happy Birthday, and it's from the same stamp set, the Create a Cupcake. And I layered that onto the Modern Label punch, and then I punched it out with the Word Window punch. I'm just going to put that right over there. Isn't that cute? And then it just stands up by itself. And you can't see it like that, but there it is. Okay, so that's it. Thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you later. Bye!